Namaskar. Most of us bathe with cold or warm water when we need to freshen up. Some people even take a sun bath. Some yogis take wind baths by standing with hands outstretched on the top of a hill. But have you ever heard of a sound bath? Yes, you can bathe in the waves of sounds too. In ancient India, the sages chanted sacred Sanskrit verses and mantras during meditation and other rituals to bring calmness and positivity within. Now, latest scientific research is also emphasizing the power of sound to heal inside, is also engrossing the power of sound to heal and energize. One such technique of meditation with sound is called solfeggio frequency. These frequencies are known to bring positive physical and mental changes to the listener. In the 1970s, Dr. Joseph Polio and other researchers studied the effect of chants from India and other cultures around the world and identified 6 measurable tones that induce a body-mind balance and have a restorative effect. These solfeggio frequencies greatly influence conscious and subconscious human mind. There are several frequencies such as 396 Hz, 639 Hz, 741 Hz, etc., which creates positive shifts in the body-mind complex and help to balance the chakras. Today, I am going to talk about one of the most powerful frequency, 528 Hz. 528 Hz solfeggio frequency has a miraculous ability to heal and repair our body. Recent research shows that the frequency of 528 Hz does the kind of overhauling the body by increasing cell life by about 20%. On a deeper level, it is known to have transformational effects on the DNA. Many might wonder, where would they get the sound of this frequency? The Yoga Institute has made these frequencies available through our meditation app, Nispand. It has varied range of frequencies and different kind of meditation. You can access all the solfeggio frequencies in this Nispand app. Regularly listening to this 528 Hz frequency also reduces the level of stress hormone cortisol. It increases confidence and enhances self-esteem. The powerful vibrations of this frequency balances or awakens this Manipur or solar plexus chakra and provides high level of energy. Now, don't you think that it is a great way to unwind the end of your day by setting a sound frequency to 528 Hz? You may listen to the solfeggio frequency on low volume at bedtime or as comforting background music as you go about your usual work. The best way to drive maximum benefit from this solfeggio frequency is to find a quiet spot when you will not be disturbed by any other sounds. Say for 15 minutes, make yourself comfortable on your bed, on your chair, or lie down on the floor. Gently close your eyes in this relaxed state, allowing this healing wave of sound move soothingly over your body and mind. Namaskar.